People, how's it going? I'm your boy Jermaine Tessa Jones and welcome to another video. If you're wondering why the car sat behind me in a workshop with the bonnet up, it's because I've got a very exciting video for you. It's a very exciting video for me, but you know. Anyways, right now what we're getting done is I'm having decats done to the car. So we're definitely getting the secondary cats out. The boys say if it's easy enough, they're gonna take out the primary cats as well, which essentially will mean the car will pretty much be straight piped. Like, it's gonna be loud as hell. That's the look I'm going for. I mean, I initially wanted to go fully straight pipe, buy new pipes for it, but the guy said it's gonna be way too loud, way too obnoxious, which I don't know why they said that, because that's the look I'm going for anyway. But I'm gonna see how this goes. If I love it, we'll keep it like that, but we'll probably get some straight pipes anyway. So right now, the boys, I don't know what they're doing. They're doing some stuff with the OBD. They're about to put it on the ramp, take it up, take the whole exhaust off, and they're gonna gut the cats out. So I'm hoping they can do the primary cats as well, because I want this thing to, right now it does like, you know, a little broom broom, it's fairly loud, but I'm looking for a broom, pa, 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 all of that stuff. I want the pops and bangs, so Simon's gonna map it for me. I'll introduce you to Simon, I'll show you guys around the workshop. They've got some cool cars here. I think there's an M6 that's about to go in a dyno as well. So if I can, I'll get some filming in for that as well. But yeah, hopefully I can follow the process of what these guys are gonna do and show you the whole process of them gutting the cats out. And Simon normally takes all of the cars out for a drive once he's done. So hopefully we can jump in with him and go for a test drive to hear it when it first starts up. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the video and how it's going. But I am gassed. So, question. Why would you want to get the cats taken out? So you do this for many reasons. For me, mainly it's the noise. I want the car to be a lot louder. From factory, these cars are fairly quiet. There is like a back box mod that people do, and this car's already had it done when I bought it. I think it's got a 4-pipe mod, I think it's called. People get 2-pipe mod or 2.5 pipe. I'm assuming the 4-pipe is the loudest that it goes. It's fairly loud already. When you're on the motorway, like around doing 70 mile an hour, it does kind of drone a little bit. So with the cats gone, I don't know how bad that's going to be, but you know, we'll see. Eventually I'm thinking about getting a valve back box for the car as well, just so I can tone it down a bit, because my neighbours are 100% going to hate me. But yeah, why would you get the cats taken out? You do get an extra 10 to 20 horsepower with these cats as well. Also, it does allow extra free flowing, so I can get a pop and bang map done to the car. So, and I have seen some that flame with like straight pipes and down pipes and all of that kind of stuff. So we'll see how we get on. We'll see what Simon does for me. Show you around the workshop. I'll introduce you to Simon, who's just walking past right here. Anyways, yeah, we'll get him to talk about it. He'll be better at explaining what the process is and what best is done to it and everything. As you can see, the guys are putting the car on a trickle charger so it doesn't die whilst they're doing whatever they're doing. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Make it play.
Trip is no game. I've been trying to spread the word all the same. I guess I'm in my own lane. Word to my brothers that be trying to make it pay. Man, the trip is no game. I've been trying to spread the word all the same. I guess I'm in my own lane. Word to my brothers that be.
People, that is the first cat gutted. I will say I did some of the work myself, but this is actually what comes out of the primary cats. It's all metal mesh kind of rubbish. Normally, Simon, what's normally in a normal cat?
It's a ceramic.
It's a ceramic.
Yeah. So it's a ceramic with a honeycomb in it.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously, CAT stands for catalytic converter.
Okay.
It's basically a catalyst that changes the chemical construction of the exhaust gases that come out as it bypasses through. So the hotter they get, the more efficient they become at doing it. But basically, it's just a big old ceramic full of chemicals that will then change the exhaust gases. And they've been fitted on cars since 1992.
Since 1992. You're a very, very smart guy. Fresh since 1992, yeah. Name, how was that to get out of there?
Challenge.
You guys were struggling till I came in with the big guns, innit? Come on, I did like 50. I did like 50% of that. 40%. Guys, secondary cats are currently out. Boys, let's be serious now. How much easier was that with me? The first one took how long? Before I got back?
About half hour.
Half hour. And we just did that in what, 5 minutes?
Yeah. Bro, I pulled the
Honestly, you might as well change the name from SA Tuning to JT Automotive, because JT Tuning, let's do it. You guys gonna work for me? You're gonna leave Simon and work for me, yeah? Lovely, lovely. You guys do not understand how deafening that is. I don't even know if you can hear me now. I've lost all sense of hearing. That thing is ridiculous. Being behind a dyno, you know, you don't normally hear a car inside a room whilst it's accelerating to like 130, 40 mile an hour, 120, whatever it is. That thing is ridiculously loud. It literally, my ears are ringing. And you know what? It makes your chest shake. Like you think like something's about to pop off the car or whatnot. You're not used to hearing sounds that loud indoors. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Trip is no game. I've been trying to spread the word all the same. I guess I'm in my own lane.
Alright, so Simon, can you explain to me what's going on here?
We're writing a file between the car.
Oh, that's very interesting.
I don't know what else to
So what file are you writing? This is so that I don't get any engine management lights for the...
O2 off pop and bang.
Sorry, say that again?
O2 off pop and bang.
So the O2 sensors are going off and man's getting a pop and bang.
Just the secondary O2 sensors.
Okay.
You need the first, right? There's a big misconception with lots of people. Oh, O2 sensors need to come off. Right, okay. The first two O2 sensors run AFR, so your air to fuel ratio. So that is what it's telling the ECU how much air to fuel you have in the chambers at the point of explosion.
Yep.
Okay? The second O2 sensors, when we say we turn them off, is because those second O2 sensors are literally just there to measure whether the catalytic converter is efficient or not.
Okay.
So when we take the cat out, obviously those two sensors are going, well, the cat's not very efficient, and all this coming through the other end. Hence why we turn them off to save the engine management.
Okay, lovely. Thank you very much for that. And this is all being done through that OBD2 port?
You don't have to say OBD2.
Alright, the OBD, whatever.
You're like proper like.
This man old school.
You ain't got.
I ain't got the terminology.
You ain't got the facilities.
I don't have the facilities. I don't have the facilities for that big man there.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Alright, sweet. Alright guys, so officially the car is done. Simon's gonna start it up. He's gonna take it outside so we get our first listen to it. Oh my days, I can't wait. Okay, doesn't sound that bad. From cold doesn't sound that bad. Jesus. It's definitely louder. Alright, we'll let it warm up. Oh, okay, maybe not. Alright, car's officially warm now. We're gonna hear it rev for the first time. Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh! Jesus Christ! My ears are popping! That's nuts! One more. Oh, they're flames! Guys, it flames! Oh my god. This car's gonna be nuts. Oh my days. Listen, shout out to SA Tuning. Thank you so much, Simon. No, Simon had been messing about telling me he wasn't gonna put pops and everything.
I wound him up for like 3 weeks.
For free, yeah, good 3 weeks. But shout out Nahum, me and Nahum were taking out the cats together. Thank you very much. Shout out Louis, who's not here. And also shout out Carl as well, who actually, Louis, Lewis, whatever his name wants to be. But honestly, thank you guys at SA Tuning. Guys, these guys do everything. Dyno, DPF removal, EGR removal, tuning. Hashtag True Tune. You guys can get sent out your own. You guys can get sent out your own maps. Look, hashtag True Tune. You can get sent out your own maps, and you can do it right from your own home. So, big up SA Tuning again, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna sign out the video here, guys. Peace. Oh wait, whoa, guys. You already know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Oh my God, get the hell off of me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. I'm gonna end it here. Peace, people.
I guess I'm in my own lane. Word to my brothers that be trying to make it pay.